Good afternoon, everybody. We're back out collecting. It's gotten warm again. We're getting 20-degree weather this week. I think it's supposed to be 20 today too. It's warm. I mean, I don't hate the warm weather, but I was looking forward to getting back into fall weather, you know what I mean? But who knows? Who knows what this winter is going to look like? We didn't get much snow last winter at all, if I remember correctly. So this winter is going to be a total mystery. It's garbage week, so we're out early in the afternoon looking for metal. We'll see what we can find. I'll see you back at the next one. An extension cord, not bad. Okay, nothing on that one for me. Are gonna take the alcohol cans though, obviously. That whole thing's in metal. Some scrap metal. It's all extruded. Oh, it looks like my mom's friend was looking for one of these. I'm gonna take it. I think they got value. For putting your slides onto one of like the bike rack things. And then you can put your kids on the back of the bike with you. Anyway, yeah, I think my mom knows somebody that wants that. If not, it will either go on Marketplace or go out for trash tomorrow. Because tomorrow is the day I put out my trash. So if I can grab stuff, look at it and decide, hey, I shouldn't have grabbed that, I can throw it out. I'll see you in the next one. Brought in all my pop cans on Monday, that giant soil bag, and then all my bags of pop cans from last week was 66 bucks. Can't remember the weight. They're 60 cents a pound. So there's like 100 and something pounds of pop cans. See you in the next one. Picked up a barrel off camera. I know somebody that's probably going to want that or might sell it. I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's one of the backcountry barrels. We used to do backcountry camping, we don't much anymore. But I believe that's the barrel you hang in the tree. See you in the next one. Or there's actually some stuff here. Tree. these. Okay, I think that's it. These are cool. Those will probably go to garage sale. Looks, I don't even know what this will be used for. Like, those are potato mashers, obviously, but those are quite big. I'll see you at the next one. But yeah, those are probably going added to the garage sale pile. Oh, I think I broke one. What is that? Looks weird. Wonder what that is. Never seen those huge sheet packaging before. I see a lot of GHC packaging, but that just is like a white plastic bag. Oh, I guess that one was up here. Okay. More metal. Let's see, what is this? Highly flammable. Yeah. I'll take some highly flammable jugs. Region takes them in the blue box, but I'm worried about the scrap here doesn't always take stuff like that. Then again, it also depends who's working the shredding steel. Starting already. Christmas. Here is Christmas. Haven't even had Halloween yet, and you're already getting ready to buy a new Christmas tree. Hey, candle. I apologize, I do have to leave the box. How's this one smell? That smells very piney, which I like the smell of pine, but not everybody does. In my opinion, it just kind of smells like the lumber section of the hardware store, which I actually quite enjoy. There we go. Now all I have to do is fold that in half and put it in their blue box. Makes it a little bit easier for them. We'll see you in the next one. Strap down. Always gotta take a broom for good luck. There ain't no reason to leave behind brooms. There's still tin shred, and there's still weigh a little bit. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This was pretty good. What time is it? We left about 2:30. We were out for an hour and a half, just about. Let me think. Hour and 10. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna guess 10, maybe 20, 25 bucks. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.